Okay, Ashleigh, we've looked through all the options, we've opened them up. Now I want to hear which one is your favourite.
Heads and shoulders above the rest in New Zealand, purely because I just really love the brand that they've highlighted, being Aotea. It's so gorgeous. I love that they've included that full-size product, as I mentioned before. And I also love the sustainability story behind this as well. The fact that the bag is made of recycled paper, I think that's a really nice way of framing why you should opt to fly with Air New Zealand. I feel like they always really prioritise giving back in their carbon footprint, and they're very aware of the environment, which I really respect. And I also really loved that this bag isn't gendered. I feel like it's a bit old school now almost to have you know, a bag that's geared towards a man or a woman. So I love that this is actually something that would engage people of all walks of life. So I really respect and appreciate that as well. So Air New Zealand is my #1 pick out of the bunch.
Amazing.
What about you?
I'm a sucker for luxury,
Okay.
so I'm just going to have had to have gone with the Emirates.
Yes.
And the man's one, because like I said before, I love the black and the tan. It's a beautiful bag, I love the shape, and then just the skincare products, maybe not so much the actual contents. Although, actually, shaving cream is very helpful if you...
I feel like practicality, like it's so practical.
It's
got
so
everything that a
good.
guy could need, or any person could need.
These are just like a mix of nostalgic and also very helpful. And they're really good for like quite thick hair as well, which I love. And just like the quality of products, the skincare, the eau de parfum, it's just amazing. I feel like if I was in first class or business class and I was getting this, I'd really feel like I was a high flyer.
Yes, absolutely.